Hi everyone, my name is Dikshita. I'm working as an IT engineer in IPCS Global Mysore. So, in this tutorial series, we are going to learn Pandas, one of the most powerful and widely used libraries for data analysis in Python. If you are a student or working professional or just want to start your career in data analytics, this series will help you to understand Pandas step by step with simple explanation and with real world examples. So let's get started. So in today's class I'm going to give you the introduction to Pandas, where we will going to understand what is Pandas, why companies are relying on it, and where it is used. So what is Pandas? So Pandas is an open source Python library which is used for data manipulation and analysis. So it is designed to work with structured data, things like Excel sheets, CSV files, and SQL tables. So what makes it more powerful is that it provides fast and flexible ways to handle the data, and it's built on top of NumPy, which means it's optimized for performance. So that's why Pandas is everywhere in finance, machine learning projects, business intelligence, and dashboards and real world analytics pipelines. So, why do we need Pandas? Here's the real problem. So, data is everywhere, right? We have Excel files, CSV files, databases, APIs, but raw data will be always messy. So, just imagine you have a data set where the customer names are missing, sales columns with the blank values, duplicate transactional IDs, dates in the different formats. So if you want to clean this data set manually using Excel with consisting of 2 million rows, what happens? Excel will start freezing, you will start making mistakes, and deadlines don't wait. So that's exactly Pandas comes to existence. So using Pandas, we can automate the messy data cleaning and make it more efficient. So Pandas is really a helpful tool for the data cleaning. So the next question is, why use Pandas? Because why do analysts love Pandas? It can be used to handle the missing values, removing the duplicates, filtering the dataset quickly, group and summarizing, complex transformation, and scale efficiently. So when it comes to data cleaning, we can handle missing values, duplicates, and messy formats in just a few lines. And it is more powerful for filtering. So we can transform millions of rows and summarizing. So we can aggregate data to find the trends, averages, and insights that actually drive decisions. So in short, Pandas turns raw data into something which is usable. So next we have performance and efficiency. Pandas have speed advantage, automation power, and error reduction. Traditional tools like Excel have limitations in size and performance, but Pandas can handle millions of rows efficiently. It also integrates with visualization libraries like Matplotlib, Seaborn, and machine learning tools, making it part of a complete data analysis ecosystem. So next question we have, what are the real world applications of Pandas and where it is used? It is used in business analytics to create the interactive dashboards, financial analysis to analyze the market trends, portfolio performance, and the risk metrics, sales and marketing to generate the automated report on campaigns performance, customer behavior, and the revenue trends. Exploratory data analysis uncover the hidden patterns, insights before diving into the deeper statistical modeling. Machine learning preparation to clean the data and convert the raw data into the format which is required for the training machine learning models. Reporting automation replacing the manual reporting workflows with a scheduled error-free automated processes. So Pandas can be used in almost every field where the data will be generated, and the data cleaning part is very necessary. So next we have core data structures in Pandas, which is series and data frame. A series, which is a one-dimensional labeled array. Think it's like a single Excel column. So then we have data frame, which is a two-dimensional and which represents the entire spreadsheet. So almost everything we do in Pandas resolves around these two concepts, which is series and data frame. So mastering these two core data structures are very important. In this tutorial, we are going to cover so many concepts just like setup and import, which means installing and importing the Pandas, data loading. We are going to learn how to load CSV or Excel files. Next, we have structure exploration. We will understand the data frame anatomy using head information and describe tail and many methods. So next we have data selection. We are going to understand how to select the specific rows, columns, and the subsets of our data. data cleaning part, where we're going to understand how to handle the missing values, remove the duplicates, and changing the data types. Next, we have basic data visualization. We are going to learn some of the simple charts to understand our data visually. So these are all the main concepts we are going to cover in this tutorial. Why mastery matters. So here's a reality check. Data analysts spend nearly 80% of their time cleaning and preparing the data. So if you are the master in Pandas, you are saving hours of manual Excel work and unlocking the automation. So it is very important you should master the Pandas if you are going to apply for the data analyst or business analyst kind of roles. So now you know that why Pandas matters and what are the applications of Pandas and where it is used. So let's jump into the coding part and start working with the real data. So stay tuned for this and thank you.